Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're making a refreshing ginger honey iced latte that's the perfect blend of sweet, spicy, and creamy flavors. Fresh ginger adds a subtle kick, while honey brings natural sweetness to balance the rich espresso. This easy homemade coffee drink is refreshing, energizing, and ideal for warm afternoons or whenever you need a delicious pick-me-up. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso or 1 5-cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk or plant, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 1 cup ice cubes, 1 tablespoon warm water, optional ground cinnamon. For garnish directions: start by preparing the ginger-honey mixture. In a small bowl, combine the grated fresh ginger, honey, and warm water. Stir well until the honey dissolves completely. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes so the ginger infuses its flavor into the syrup. Brew 2 fresh shots of espresso or prepare a half cup of strong coffee. Allow it to cool slightly before assembling the drink. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour the ginger-honey mixture over the ice, making sure it is evenly distributed. Add the cooled espresso and stir gently to combine the flavors. Next, slowly pour the milk into the glass. Watch as the creamy milk blends beautifully with the coffee, creating a layered cafe-style appearance. Stir again if desired for a smooth and consistent flavor. For an extra touch, sprinkle a little ground cinnamon on top. Serve immediately and enjoy the refreshing combination of bold coffee, sweet honey, creamy milk, and warming ginger spice. This ginger honey iced latte is a unique twist on traditional iced coffee and is sure to become one of your favorite homemade coffee treats. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious ginger honey iced latte. If you give this recipe a try, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more creative coffee recipes. Stay refreshed, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next delicious coffee adventure. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.